What if your hoodie could be smarter? What if it could grab your phone in a blink? What if it carried all your essentials safe from water, theft, and loss? It's NOMADE 58, a mid-layer that protects you and your devices, dry and secure in any weather condition. The world's most feature-packed hoodie, 28 smart pockets, 58 features, one sleek and comfortable design, organized like a backpack. Built to adapt faster, protect better, and carry smarter. Okay, we're Mao, and this is our 7th Kickstarter project. With your support, we've delivered to over 15,000 backers in 130 countries. And now we're back with the world's most advanced hoodie. Pockets are the DNA of Mao, and with N58, no more dropped phones, no more stolen wallets, no more digging through messy bags. Every item has its place, secure, waterproof, and instantly accessible. Travel safe with a pen and passport at your fingertips. Store a tablet in a bigger, zippered, protected pocket. Fit any smartphone with waterproof safety. Stash your smartphone in a blink. Never miss a call again. Hidden secure pocket. Out of sight, out of reach. Secure your eyewear. Anytime, anywhere. Gravity-assisted drop pocket. Tools ready, never lost. Keep cables, pens, and essentials untangled. With Charge on the Go system, there's no downtime. Finally, carry any drink with a dedicated pocket for life on the move with an adjustable and detachable net. Any inner secure pockets? Oh yes, RFID card holder and Nano Vault. Small gear, big security. On the outside, 20K waterproof shields. 3-layer protection keeps you and your devices safe and dry. Built from a sustainable 4-way stretch organic cotton blend, breathable, skin-friendly, and built to move. Reduce its environmental impact by recycling material and minimizing new resources. Crafted with precision like a Swiss watch. N58 comes in 2 colors, night black and urban gray. Waterproof zippers, double sliders, zip neck protection on both sides, and invisible custom details. And because details matter, high neck construction, right fit and right protection, storm hood visor, quick grip hood adjustment with double layered hood, wind and waterproof, extendable cuffs to warm your hand, and armpit vents for breathability, detachable shoulder straps, wear like a backpack, hands-free, night reflect stripes, stay visible after dark. NOMADE 58 is built to carry smarter, protect better, and adapt faster. This is more than a hoodie. It's a new standard for everyday gear. Back NOMADE 58 today and wear the future.